Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ERR QUIC protocol error in your Google Chrome. How you can fix it, just simply open Google Chrome browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Chrome clone / flag. You will going to get Chrome clone / flags. Click on that. And then here you can simply search here protocol. And then here you can simply find the experimental QUIC protocol. You can see it's set on default. You can simply click to disable it and simply click on add to the right bottom corner relaunch. And after that, it will going to fix your problem. If you want to remove it, what you can do, you can simply search here chrome.flags and then simply click reset all and simply click relaunch, and your changes will be undo. So this is how we can simply do that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.